Hello, jet setters. Are you ready to glow on your vacation? Well, it's vacation time, and I'm sure we all are prepping up for getting the best of the vacation. And at the same time, do not forget to take care of your skin. So, hi everyone, I'm Dr. Parul, and this is your vacation skincare guide. Do not forget these six essential things which I am suggesting to you today. Don't forget to carry these definitely without fail. The first one is the sunscreen. Well, this is going to protect your skin. So 30 to 50 SPF. You know how much to use, about 2 fingertip unit. You know when to apply about 10 minutes before you get out into your sun to on the beach or maybe on the mountains. And you know that it needs to be waterproof and maybe a long stay also. So sunscreen will be your first tip of the day. The second one, if you're moving on to airports or maybe you have long flights, what I want you to do is pick up a small transparent bottle, put hydrating mist in it or maybe cool water in it so that you can splash whenever the skin gets dried, and that's important because the skin needs to really drink up the water and look little hydrated, otherwise it will go dry and parched. The third pick is light makeup. Remember, whenever you are traveling, your skin is little getting compromised. What you need is minimum makeup. So shift your usual heavy duty makeups or the full coverage makeups to very light ones, non-comedogenic and water based ones, so that they adequately cover all your blemishes and makes you look fresh, but yet it is not clogging the pores and it doesn't look very cakey or maybe very heavy on the face. My fourth pick is lip balm with a sunscreen. Now what it does is, whenever again you're moving out in the sun and the lips are the first ones to get dried, so I want you to pick up a lip balm, and of course with a sunscreen if you pick, definitely that will add up to all the protection for your lips. The next one is something for the night. Now suppose you were on the beach and on the mountains and the skin somewhere gets tanned, burned. What you have to do is come back home, take a shower, or maybe wash your face and use this aloe vera gel. Well, this is a bigger gel. You can always transport it in smaller containers, and which is also easy to carry. Aloe vera, what it does, it soothes and calms the skin down immediately. Any kind of suntan, sunburn, or any kind of an irritation will immediately, this is like a first aid for a burned skin. So carry a small quantity of aloe vera with you, and that's an essential tip of the video. And last not the least, alternate day, what you can do is just carry these handy sheet masks which have niacinamide, which have tea tree, or they also have hyaluronic acid. So these will again help to repair back the skin right away. So essential, this is my kit for you as a recommendation for all your vacations. So just go through the list, and definitely you can let me know if you need any help for any specific skincare if you want to be addressed on your vacation. Let me know in the DM where is your next destination. This is Dr. Parul signing off.